Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video, I'm going to talk about another function, and the function name is the content. So as you can guess, the content, this function displays the post content. So there will be times when you may want to display the content of your post, or one post or multiple posts. So you can use this function there. You can get some more information from here, and you can there are some examples that's in this link that you can go through to get some more insight of it. So this is something that we will be using a lot, and this is something we will be using a lot, and that's why I want to show you where from where you actually getting this. So this is from time to time we will make short videos like this, where we will show the reference file, the link from where we are getting the thing. So yeah, that's for this very short video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.